Hey guys, I'm Emily from the Blue Mouse, and today I'm going to show you how to do the German twisted cast-on, which is perfect for cuff down socks because it is a really stretchy cast-on without flaring. So this is very similar to the long tail cast-on. You'll want to start out by estimating the yarn that you need for your long tail. So go ahead and do that. So here is the end that is attached to my ball of yarn, and here is my tail end. So I'm going to start out by placing my needle underneath both of them and placing my finger on it to hold them. So once you have them laid out like that, then you're going to grab them with your last few fingers, and then you split the yarn with your thumb being attached to the tail yarn and your index finger holding the skein yarn. Hold your thumb up here so you can kind of see a loop. And what we're going to do is we're going to go underneath both of these strands of our thumb. So go underneath both of them, and now we're going to actually go in between them. So in the hole that is created by your thumb, go in between them and come out to the front. And now we're going to grab this strand that is around your index finger. So go ahead and go over top of it and then back under to grab it. So over and under. And now here comes the tricky bit. So our yarn that is wrapped around our thumb is twisted. I don't know if you can see that, but it's twisted and we need to untwist it. So the way that we untwist it is by moving our thumb. So move your thumb forward so it's in a different position like this, and you have untwisted your yarn. Now this is really tricky when you're going this slow. Once you really get going, it's so fast. So now what you do is you're going to bring your needle in between both strands of yarn that are wrapped around your thumb. So go in between and out to the front. And now you can just release that from your thumb and pull it kind of tight, and you have cast on one stitch. So I'll show that to you one more time. So you go underneath both strands of your thumb, go in between both strands on your thumb and out to the front. Pick up the stitch around your index finger by going over and then under it. And now we're going to untwist our thumb. So bring it forward and untwist it. And then bring your needle back through both of those strands around your thumb and to the front. And then release, and you have another stitch. So I'll show that to you one last time, moving a little bit faster so you can see how I do that thumb movement when I'm going at more of a normal speed. So underneath both, in between, pick up, twist, and back. Underneath, in between, pick up, twist, back in between. So if you're having trouble with the thumb movement or you just want to save time, this is a way that I found is a lot faster when you're moving at full speed. It is exactly the same thing I just showed you, but without that little thumb flick. So instead, you go underneath both strands around your thumb, go in between them, pick that yarn up, and then instead of twisting your thumb, you bring your needle around front, and then you go in between the loop on your thumb, and then you go underneath and bring it to the front and release. So one more time, underneath both strands around your thumb, in between them, pick up that yarn, and then you're going to bring your needle around to the front, go in through the middle and up, back under and to the front. You'll start to get a really good rhythm after a few times and some practice. And that is how I do the German twisted cast on. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more.